Welcome to Turkey, where ancient wonders meet natural beauty. From the majestic skyline of Istanbul, where east meets west, to the surreal terraces of Pamukkale, carved by time and water. Float above Cappadocia's dreamlike valleys, a fairy tale come to life. Relax on turquoise coasts kissed by the sun, where the Mediterranean whispers stories of ancient sailors. Wander through ruins older than memory and gaze at mountains wrapped in legend. Turkey is more than a destination. It's a journey through time, flavor, and soul.